सो कल मैंने पता क्या किया, तो कल मैंने यहाँ से वॉक स्टार्ट किया और मैं पता कहाँ तक गया, पूरा वॉक करते 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 वो जो दिख रहा है वो उस पहाड़ के पीछे तक। You ready to climb?
Yeah, buddy.
It's going to be like this, bro. Mountain top. Oh, guys, it's so fucking steep. So basically ये जो माउंटेन था ना, यहाँ से they used to defend जब भी कोई अटैक करने आता था, so that is why ये सब तोपें यहाँ पे रखी गई है पुराने ज़माने की guys. I don't know how this, अभी आज बारिश हो गई, the plans थोड़े से flop हो गए, but still we are on the town. That's entire San Sebastian for you guys, and that's Urgul, the top of this city from where you can explore, see the entire city. तो ये जो आप आइलैंड देख रहे हैं ना बीच में, सो ये आइलैंड बेसिकली खाली समर्स में चालू होता है. यू सी दिस आइलैंड, ये जो सेंटर में बने ओशन के, लुक एट दैट. ओह अमेजिंग, दैट हैज़ नो एंड, दैट इज़ द ओशन. There we can go and sit for some time. So this island that guys you see in front of you, it's just open in summers because in winters it gets very difficult and they don't let the tourists go. Of course the local people do have their own boats and all through which they go, but for the tourists it's shut. And भाई जो view है, I can't just tell you how beautiful it is looking right now. From it would have been much better अगर यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होती, but it's okay. Look at that. Oh, amazing, amazing. I don't have words for this. It's very beautiful. Hello. Can still go more up and see from the top from there. I'm imagining यहाँ से व्यू ऐसा है तो वहाँ से कैसा होगा. I was there yesterday, वो end तक पहुँचा था मैं. I went till there, that end point, walked the entire thing. So that's the best part about walking. Like I have told you many number of times that आप walk करो, you get to know about the city and then you explore the other day. That's what I am doing right now. Chalo, let's go. Yes, Porgul, here we are. Is that a statue of Jesus? बस अगर शेर बालू आ जाएगा ना तो संभाल लेना, तू जिम बॉक्सिंग करता है सब. ओह गॉड डैम. लाइट ऑन कर दे. Shit, crazy. Oh, finally we're here. Oh man, look at that. Top. Gole. Guys, we're in the fort of Urgul. I imagine how beautiful it is right now also, but how beautiful it would be जब बारिश नहीं होगी. Not beautiful तो अभी भी है, but I mean to say कि कितना convenient होता अगर बारिश नहीं होती. But ठीक है, हर जगह पे तोपे है, रास्ते यहाँ से बनाए हुए हैं. Okay, water. Where has he gone? I think he's gone on the top. Okay, I need to run from somewhere. Here I can find a way. There's less water. Woohoo! Oh, prisons. It's locked. Jesus sign. Can't go in. It's all locked right now. Where are you? यहाँ से चल के ये पूरे फोर्ट पे अभी ना हमारे अलावा कोई नहीं है और हम पूरे फोर्ट की यहाँ पे छानबीन कर रहे हैं कि क्या कुछ सोना वोना मिल जाए तो हम करोड़पति बन जाए. श्योर, आई नो मैन, इतना अच्छा लक तो नहीं है, बट लेट्स फाइंड अ गुड व्यू. वो भी अच्छा लक होगा. अमेजिंग भाई, पूरा सिटी दिख रहा है यहाँ से. What top we are at, bro? We climbed a lot. What a beautiful, and we are here at the top.
पूरी सिटी में खतरनाक बात. ओशन, अटलांटिक ओशन है ये.
Guys, look at the beautiful view of San Sebastian city. Amazing, amazing. बहुत beautiful दिख रहा है. Can you see ocean in going from in between the city? कैसा city बनाया है? Beautiful तरीके से planned है. The ocean. So this ocean, this water that you can see here, it's coming from Atlantic, North Atlantic Ocean, and we're at the top of San Sebastian, the highest point here. This used to be the place जहाँ से they used to defend their territory back in the old days from French people, because French invasion यहाँ से काफ़ी बार होता था. तो that's the only reason. ये आप देखोगे पूरा जो उर्गुल का टॉप है इस तरीके से बना हुआ है. there are a lot of topes. I don't remember now what do we call in topes in English, but yeah, we see a lot of topes. There are a lot of underground rooms from here. I'm sure it's पूरा का पूरा किला है यहाँ से. We're going back to San Sebastian main city. Then we'll eat something. We'll have our lunch. Like I promised, I'll be trying out the other 9 dishes. I don't know 9 खा पाऊँगा कि नहीं, but I'll be trying out the max which I can from my end. So yeah, let's see. Ooh, it's fucking windy out here. भाई अभी हम यहाँ से properly अच्छे से आ गए. तो पहले वो झुक के क्यों आए? हम यहाँ से क्यों नहीं आए?
Because we are explorer ना bro. That's why.
Below we'll see you down. यहाँ पे पता नहीं धुआं कैसे आ रहा है, but आ रहा है.
It's windy out here.
It's windy out here. Right. Sorry, mistake.
Cloud heaven.
What?
Cloud heaven.
Cloud heaven. Right. He's saying it's a cloud heaven. So now we are back on the way towards down. See you down, guys. Bye bye.